Practice at 3.38 sum. Find the 4 consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is 12 and the sum of the third and fourth term is 14. Now in the last 7 sum we had taken the 3 consecutive terms and that were A plus D and A minus D. So these were the 3 terms. Now we want one more term. So to get the fourth term, we'll add the difference in the third term. So this will be A plus D, and in this we'll add one more difference. So this number will be A plus 2D. We'll start the solution. Let the 4 consecutive terms in AP be A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. Now from the question what is given, the 4 consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is 12. That means the sum of all these 4 terms is 12. And the second condition is the sum of third and fourth term is 14. So this is the third term and this is the fourth term. That is sum of this third and fourth term is 14. So 2 condition has given. So first we'll write the first condition. From the first condition, sum of all the 4 numbers is 12. So now we'll open the bracket. A minus D plus A plus A plus D plus A plus 2D is equal to 12. This minus D plus D will get cancelled. A plus A and this A 4 times A, so 4A, and 2D is equal to 12. Now 4A, 2D and 12, so all these 3 numbers are divisible by 2. So we'll divide by 2 all the 3. So this will become 2A plus D plus 6. We'll write over here dividing by 2. And this will be the first equation because we don't know the value of A and D. Now from second equation, second condition gives us sum of the third and fourth term is 14. So this is third and this is the fourth term. The sum is 14. So now again we'll open the bracket. A plus D, A plus 2D equal to 14. Now A plus A is 2A. D plus 2D is 3D is equal to 40. So this will be the equation number 2. Now we have to solve this equation 1 and 2 simultaneously to get the values for A and D. If we'll observe the equation, this is a 2A and 2A. So if we'll subtract the first equation from the second, 2A will get cancelled and easily we can find out the value of D. So we'll subtract the equation 1 from equation 2. Now for subtracting equation 1 from 2, first we'll write the second equation and below that the first equation. If we are subtracting, we have to change the sign. This 2A will get cancelled. 3D minus D is 2D and 14 minus 6 is 8. Therefore D is equal to 8 upon 2. Therefore D is equal to 4. So we have got the value of D. Now we'll substitute the value of D in any of the equation to get the value of A. So from equation 1, or we'll write substituting D equal to 4 in equation 1. This is 2A plus 4 equal to 6. Therefore 2A is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Therefore 2A is equal to 2 upon 2, that is equal to 1. Now we have got the value for A is 1 and D is 4. Now using this value we'll find out the 4 terms A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. We'll substitute the values in this. So this is A minus D, 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. A is 1. A plus D is 1 plus 4, that is 5. And this is 1 plus 2D, that is 1 plus 8 equal to 9. So the 4 consecutive terms are minus 3, 1, 5 and 9. So this is the final answer. The 4 consecutive terms are minus 3, 1, 5 and 9.